I am going to write my equation 96 minus 28. So on the 100 chart, before I do anything, I am going to break down my 2 and my 1s. So we have 2 10s in 28, and we have 8 1s. I am going to go to my 100 chart, and the first thing I'm going to do is to locate the number 96 on the 100 chart. I am going to circle my 96. The next thing I'm going to do is to look under the 10. I am going to jump 2 times, which is 20. 2 represent 20 because it's in the 10th place. I'm going to go back on the chart. I'm going to go 1, 2. Now we're on 96. And then I am going to count 8 1s. I'm going up and backward counting 8 because we are subtracting. So I'm going to count 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We landed on 68. Therefore, 96 minus 28 is equals to 68.